Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn Modakalu or Modak recipe, one of the Naivedyam to Shri Ganesha. It's Ganesh Chaturthi. Time to make umpteen varieties of Modak, Ganesha's favorite, and here is the Modak recipe of rice flour shells filled with a succulent mixture of jaggery and coconut. While this mouth-watering delicacy is an inseparable part of Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, you can try and make it more often as it is a tasty treat for the whole family, especially the young ones. We need for dough rice flour 1 cup, salt a pinch, hot boiling water as needed, cooking oil 2 tablespoons plus more for greasing mold. And for filling we need jaggery 1.5 cup, water half cup, fresh coconut 1.5 cup grated, cardamom powder 1 tablespoon and ghee 1 tablespoon. Now I'll see the directions to prepare. Take coconut in a blender and pulse it few times till it is fine. And take jaggery and water in a saucepan and heat till it is melted. Strain and set aside. And now pour this back into the same kadai and add in coconut and mix well. Then keep cooking this till it is thick, and then add in cardamom powder and ghee and mix well and remove this to a bowl. And allow it to cool down. Now make the dough. For that take water in a saucepan and add in salt 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the water reaches a boil, add the rice flour and mix well, and it will become like a sticky dough. Now remove this to a bowl and let it cool for 15 minutes. Once it is cool, add in 1 tablespoon of oil and make it into a soft dough. Now take Modak mold and grease it lightly. Take a small portion of dough and spread it evenly in mold. And then place the filling in and cover it with more dough. Now release the mold, you will have a modak. Wonderful shapes, right? And if you don't have mold, you take a small ball of dough, use your fingers to spread it. And then place a ball in the center, roll it or make it to shape with your fingers. You can make two round balls, or you try to make it as a modak shape with your fingers. We prepare half into modak shape and half into ball shape. Now place this in a steamer and steam it for 8 to 10 minutes. Let it cool for 5 minutes before removing and serve. Lord Ganesha is always portrayed with a sweet in his hand, and a little wonder then that on Ganesha Chaturthi a whole lot of festive delicacies are prepared as offering. Lord Ganesha's favorite sweet was the modak, and the dumplings can be steamed or fried. The puja concludes by making an offering of 21 modaks to the deity and as a prasada to the devotees. From the traditional recipe to its newer avatars, try your hand at making this sweet blessing at home. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.